Welcome. Today I am with the ZTE AXON 25G and I want to show you how camera pro mode looks in this phone. So we have to open the more modes and then we have to click for the manual mode. Right now we can find the bottom part, the bottom bar where we can adjust a lot of things manually. First of all, that's the shutter speed. As you can see, we can set it even for the 30 seconds. Next one, it's ISO. Here we can set exposure, and that's the only parameter that we can only adjust manually. As you can see, there is no this automatic adjustment on the left, like for example on the ISO and shutter. Here we can also find the white balance. That's the interval. So when you set it up like that, the photo will be taken each 3 seconds. That's very useful, and by the way, very rare function. Honestly, I see this function for the first time in the pro mode. There is also the focus range. So right now, everything that is close to the lens, it's out of the focus, but when I'm gonna move the phone higher, it will be in the focus. When I'm gonna put it a little bit closer and change the value right here, as you can see right now, the button is in the focus. And the last option right here, it's it's the flashlight. So we can just turn on the flashlight and, by the way, set the strength of the flashlight. And that's all for this video. That's how it looks in this smartphone. That's the ZTE AXON 25G. If you find this video helpful, remember to leave a like, comment and subscribe to our channel.